how to transfer funds from PNC to another bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money from your PNC account to another bank, well, here is how to do it in simple taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on transfers at the bottom menu. And if you haven't added the other bank yet, you can just tap external accounts and then enter the routing and account number and verify the account using the micro deposit method. And once verified, you can simply go back to the transfers and select from your PNC account and to the external bank and enter the amount and then just tap on submit. And with that, transfers may take 1 to 3 business days depending on the bank, and that's it. That's how you can transfer funds from PNC to another bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.